Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.